I want just to merit with you. Please don't play Mobile Legends, just merit with me.
Okay. Kung magiging hayop ka, ano ka?
Aso.
Parang gusto ko na kumain ng aso.
On love you.
Galing mo naman po mag-gitara.
Nag-i-stream ka ba ate?
Hindi ako nag-i-stream.
Oh!
Hindi ako mag-i-stream. Hindi naman ako sikat.
Sikat-sikat ka pa nalalaman dyan, ulul.
Ano mo na lang pangalan mo? Hi, Siopaw. Sa totoo lang, mahilig din ako sa Siopaw. Kumakain ako ng Siopaw, kuya. Ikaw.
Sobrang saya ko na, muli tayo magsasama. Pangako na, di ka na maghihintay. Hindi ka na malulungkot, malapit ako, baby, pauwi na ako.
Ano FB page? Wait lang, walang FB page muna. Ano muna pangalan mo? Ang ibibigay ko Facebook page ko, face reveal. Ano? Wala nang logi sa ating dalawa. Ano ba yan? Ibibigay ko sa'yo yung Facebook page ko, tapos ikaw ayaw. Sige na, face reveal.
Ha?
Sige na, i-insert ko ng music to. O sige, ganito. Ipaparinig ko totoong boses ko, face reveal. Deal. Deal. Wait lang ha. Baka mamaya i-next mo.
Hi, kuya.
I like my sense I love the way you stare. I knew that my love is something you should have.
Oh!
Hala! Ito totoong boses ko. Swear to God, mamatay man. Oh my God, grabe ka sa akin. Sinasabi mo pangit yung boses ko. Na-face reveal na, ano ba yan? Right, napadil ka sa akin, napadil ka sa'yo. Daya mo. Hala, next. Huntingin kita. Hindi ikaw. Yung kanina, bago ikaw.
Isa pa lang nakakausap ko
Kuya,
na maayos
may tanong ako sa'yo.
Ano?
Kung magiging hayop ka, ano ka?
Aso.
Parang gusto ko na kumain ng aso. Joke lang.
I love the way you stare. I knew that my love is something you should have.
Hadouken!
Philippine vibes, nakain ng aso. Yung mga tito, mga titong lasinggero.
Siguro cute ka ng bata ka, ano?
Ako?
Ay, hindi. Sino ba kausap ko?
Teka, may mga picture ako dito ng
Sige nga,
bata.
patingin nga ako.
Gusgusin ako ng bata.
Ang cute mo nung baby ka. Pero mas cute kapag naging baby kita.
Merong bumili sa aking mata. Sa tagal ng panahon ngayon nakita. Butis na palang nakakaakit na.
Pero totoo, ang cute mo nung baby ka.
Pa-viral na ba?
Isa kang gago!
Ilang taon ka na?
Hulaan mo po.
Nahirapan mo naman ako. 20? Or 18?
Malapit na.
Clue.
Malapit na sa 18.
Tinadhana sa akin.
Bigatang yung dinadala ay dadayan. Kahit di ako macho, ito ang tandaan mo. Di ka pwede bastusin pag magkasama tayo. Hindi ako papayag magipuan ka sa kanto. Ay nako, makikipagsapukan talaga ako. Tumataya.
Lumabas ka!
Board na board si ate. Hinahanap ko kalaro eh. Kaya ako nasa
ML?
comedy. Pwede din, pero hindi yun. Hindi ML.
Valorant. I
Yes.
have a Valorant. Nagba-Valorant ako.
Hindi ako magaling.
Nagba-Valorant ako pero hindi rank. Kasi hindi ako marunong.
Hindi rin ako marunong eh.
Pero marunong ako magmahal.
Kahit di ako macho, ito ang tandaan mo. Di ka pwede bastusin pag magkasama tayo. Hindi ako papayag magipuan ka sa kanto. Ay nako, makikipagsapukan talaga ako. Tumataya.
Meron ka bang Facebook?
Meron naman.
Pwede ba kitang i-follow sa Facebook?
Follow?
Kasi sabi ng mama ko, follow my dream daw eh.
Ang pawis nito matagakak, sa bilis may pumapalakpak. Abutin natin ng langit, ibuka ang pakpak ng hapin ng halimuyak ng mga bulaklak. Ako'y paro-paro, nakada.
It works every time.
Sabi ko lang, yung mga next na makakausap ni ate, umanda kayo.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine.
You look like YouTuber.
Because I'm pretty?
Yes,
Yes! You are cute.
Oh, thank you. My name is Christian.
Oh, I like your name. My name is B. Do you know why my name is B? Because you are my height.
You already have boyfriend, right?
I don't have boyfriend, but I have
Why?
a husband.
Oh, you already married.
Yeah, I'm married. with you.
Oh, what?
What is your name?
My name is Christian. I'm from Indonesia. What you gonna do now? I'm just go married with you. Please don't play Mobile Legends. Just married with me.
Okay.
Ulul.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
Oh, you're 18?
How old are you? How old?
I'm 16.
Are you sure?
No,
Dalawang beses na yan!
can I follow you on Instagram?
Oh, sure.
Because
Wait.
my mom said that follow my dream.
Hi, I'm Bloody J. I'm an addict. Money, real weed. Yes, I can have it.
Huwag mo ako ina-next.
No. Stop it.
Wala, bakit?
Bakit? Sinabi kong hindi mo ako ina-next eh.
Hindi. Ba't ka nagagalit?
Hindi ako nagagalit. Baka kasi mamaya i-next mo ako. Pagod na ako ma-next. Lagi na lang ako nini-next. Don't next me. Because when you next me, I'm gonna next you too.
Paano mo ako in-next kung in-next kita?
Eh di pag nahanap kita, ina-next kita. Pangalan mo?
Anthony.
Wait, gamanon ka nga ulit. Ang tangos ng ilong mo. Oh,
Matangos ba yan?
Ang pogi mo dyan sa ganyan gano'n. Ganon ka nga ulit.
Ganun na lang ako?
Oh, ganyan ka na lang. Hindi totoo ang
Yan
pogi
na
mo. I like your nose, ha?
Wow.
Pero mas
You're
like
beautiful.
kita. Anthony, do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah. No. I don't have.
Why you don't have a girlfriend?
Why are you asking?
Kasi, look you are pogi. And then, you are nice din kausap. And then, why you don't have a girlfriend?
Kaka-break up lang.
3 months rule! Pwede ka na magjowa.
Oo, so alam pala ng iba yun. I mean,
Pwede na tayong maging jowa.
You're very fast, ha?
Magic.
Lang, naniniwala ka sa love at first sight?
Maybe.
Yes or no?
Hindi naman matagal
Be
bago mo
specific.
malaman kung...
Yes or no? Naniniwala ka sa love at first sight? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Parehas tayo.
Oh!
Yeah.
Hindi lang ako naniwala sa love at first sight nung nakita kita ngayon. May tanong ako sa'yo. Kung bibigyan ka ng chance na makipag-usap sa tamang tao, ano yung pag-uusapan nating dalawa?
House life.
No, house life? Hindi, ayaw mo ng Ninext niya ako! How dare you! Apakadilim mo. Ganyan yung ganyan yung paningin ko pag nawala ka. Mukha kang baby. Mukha kang ganun. Anong trip mo?
Wala lang.
Anong ginagawa mo dito kaya?
Wala.
Na nakaganyan.
Why?
What's wrong with your voice?
Why? Is there anything
nothing.
wrong with my voice?
No, I thought you were just using a voice modifier.
No, it's my real voice.
Cut the cameras.
Yes?
Oh, congrats.
Why?
Nice. No, I'm just asking. You got a nice microphone, that's why.
Hirap naman nito kausap. Are you a Filipino? Are you a
Yeah, I
Filipino?
am.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I like
I am
your
a Filipino.
accent. Where do you learn
thank you
that
so
one?
much. Oh, when you're half.
Ah, you are
you spend all
half.
of your life. Yeah.
Oh, okay, what is your half?
I'm half Korean.
Oh, do you wanna be my Yobo
Yes.
Seo without Seo?
No, I trust me,
Do you
no.
think I'm a girl or a guy?
Oh no, you can be anything you want to be, I guess.
Do you wanna hear my real voice?
Sure, go ahead.
You dare challenge me?
Do you wanna be my Yobo stay without Seo?
No sh- like, yeah, it's like, I don't know, because it was, the first time I heard it was a bit sketchy, but yeah, you got a good voice.
Do you know what is Yobo?
Yoboseo or Yogoseo?
Yobo.
Yobo? No, the only thing I know is Cheksaseo, Halmoni Harabuji.
Oh my god, what is
Oh, you don't know
Cheksaseo?
Cheksaseo? Cheksaseo means it's basic words. It's like Halmoni Harabuji Cheksaseo, which means it's time to eat.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sexaseo? Sexaseo? Do you wanna
Cheksaseo.
be Sexaseo me?
Beanie, just touch my body. Don't need nobody else but you. You're my.
I'm just kidding.
No, it's cool. It's cool. You're learning.
Do you have a Instagram, Diego?
I do have Instagram.
Oh, can I follow you?
Sure, but my content in Instagram is
What?
a bit off. Trust me, you'll
Why?
understand why.
I'm gonna follow you in Instagram because my mom said that I should follow my dream.
Beanie, just touch my body. Don't need nobody else but you. You're my one and only.
Oh my god!
Wow.
Wow.
You're actually, I was not expecting that. 250 people watching me right now. And I look like a creep.
Kuya, baka naman papatay nung makaka-copyright ako. Yes,
Ito,
kuya.
may TikTok ano.
Nagti-TikTok ako. Tapos nag-YouTube channel. Meron din akong Facebook page. Tapos magkakajowa pa ako kasi nakita ko.
Pawis nito matagakak sa bilis may pumapalakpak. Abutin natin ng langit, ibuka ang pakpak lang hapin ng halimuyak ng mga bulaklak. Ako'y paro-paro.
Ciao.
Hello, are you a streamer?
No, I'm not streamer.
Oh yeah? Oh, you're a streamer. You look good.
Oh my
How
god,
you
thank you
doing?
so much. By the way, are you a
What?
Filipino, I guess? Because you look like a Filipino.
No, I'm Vietnamese.
I'm lying, bro.
Oh, you're Vietnamese.
It's
I
me.
like Vietnam.
Oh, cool.
Oh yeah, do you like me too?
I don't know. I don't even know you.
Move away. Move away.
Dunk it, Jonathan, dunk it.
I will going to introduce my
Kapangian sana ay pahintulot kung ikaw ay alagaan dahil ang isang kagaya mo'y handa kong ipaglaban-laban sa lahat. Hey there, baby, gusto ko lang na malaman mo na you got me crazy.
Bro, you a streamer.
No, I'm not a streamer.
Damn! What's your name?
My name is B.
Babe?
Yeah, B. B as in B-E-E. Do you know why my name is B?
Why?
Cause you are my honey.
Hey there, baby, gusto ko lang na malaman mo na you got me crazy. Ako'y baliw na baliw sa'yo. Ibang-iba ka.
Now you know.
Yeah, now I know.
How old are you?
Guess what?
You are 4.
What? Forever? You're my forever? Or what?
Hubog ng iyong katawan ay nakakatulala. Kislap ng iyong matay, tanawing napakaganda. Di matatawa.
By the way, where are you right now? Are you in United States? Are you really United States or is that a VPN?
VPN? What's VPN?
Oh, you don't know VPN? VPN to change the country of Omi TV.
What's your real name, please?
Okay, my real name is Nora Grefaldi. Yeah, this is my real name. I am
Nora.
really a streamer.
Shit!
Here we go again.
Yeah, I am streaming right now, by the way. You can next if you want. I am not really good in English, by the way.
My name is Tyler.
What? Taylor?
Yeah.
Taylor Swift.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Are you Filipino, right?
Yes, I am really a Filipino.
Can you teach me
Oh,
how
okay.
to
What word do you want to learn?
Tagalog? How to say mahal kita, right?
Mahal din kita. Oh my
Lord.
god. Bro.
Yeah.
By the way, do you have a girlfriend?
Me?
Yeah.
Nah.
Oh my god, you forgot?
Oh, you?
I'm your girlfriend right now. Oh my god, I'm
Oh,
so
shit.
disappointed.
Sorry, baby.
Walang iba mang sasarap sa pagtitingin natin.
Okay, how old are you? How old are you?
I am older enough to marry you.
Oh, then don't do that shit.
No, you are not ready and married.
No, I'm ready. I'm 34.
Ramdaman ko paano mahirapan pagkabigat anong dinadala idadamayan. Kahit di ako macho, ito at tandaan mo. Di ka pwedeng bastusin pag magkasama tayo. Hindi ako papayag mahipuan ka sa kanto. Ay nako, makikipagsapukat talaga ako. Tumataya ako ng pati pato pagdating sa'yo.
What the f? Yeah, how old are you?
I am 23. How old are you?
34.
Oh, 34. You look young.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yes. You really look like my baby.
Hindi ako macho, ito at tandaan mo. Di ka pwedeng bastusin pag magkasama tayo. Hindi ako papayag mahipuan ka sa kanto. Ay nako, makikipagsapukat talaga ako. Tumataya.
Nothing. I just forgot. What is your name?
Taylor.
Oh my god, I keep forgetting your name. Can I call you mine?
Shit.
Just touch my body. Don't need nobody else but you. You're my one and only.
I think I fall in love with you.
She want me. She want me. The cap.
You what?
Just touch my body. Don't need nobody else but.
Maawa sa akin, baliw malungkot na ako.
I'm a streamer too. No, I'm just playing.
In what platform?
Ba't ba kasi nag-i-English pa tayo?
Dul salsa ka.
Mahilig ka sa Valorant. Alam mo, ako, ba't kaya ganun? Pag naglalaro ako ng Valorant, doon nahihilo ako. Tatlong beses pa lang naglalaro na hilo. Siguro dahil sa screen or something.
Siguro. Pwede naman kitang turuan eh. Hindi ka mahihilo.
Anong turo ba? Hoy! Anong turo, kuya?
Mag-Valorant.
Valorant.
Add kita sa
Sa kanian sana ay pahintulutan mong ikaw ay alagaan dahil ang isa kagaya mo.
maganda ka dito. Alam mo lang.
Hey baby, gusto ko lang na malaman mo na you got me crazy.
Sabi mo lang shoutout kay Gigi Cam.
Hi, shoutout sa'yo, Gigi.
Yes, sir! Ganda ng mic mo ah. Yun oh, sana all naka-iPhone 13 Pro Max fully
Hindi,
paid.
grabe naman. Hindi, fully paid lang. Ano yun?
Oh.
256 gig.
Oh,
Fully paid.
pero...
Charot lang.
Ba't ang ganda mo?
Uy, grabe, hindi naman.
Magkano iPhone dyan? Ay, hindi ko kayang bumili ng iPhone. Husang ko, mahal pala. Oh, wait nga. Tingnan ko yung cellphone ko. Nahihilo kasi ako. Wait na.
Putang ina.
Okay, bye.